Hi, Twinkle this side. So I'm from Ease My Trip and I'm working as an HR manager here. And it's been more than 3 years associated with this company. So it's been more than 3 years we are associated with the OnSurety teams, and the journey has been amazing. If I talk about in terms of support and any kind of grievances in terms of like from the employees and from ourselves. So there is a major impact. Like earlier, there was a lot of employee grievances in terms of the plans and the coverage they are having. So everything is available on the OnSurety app, which makes our being an HR our lives easier to like handle the grievances on a daily basis. Then other than that, there is the transparency and the flexibility of the employees to use the OnSurety app, and the transparency of the plans, the coverage, and the what all hospitals are there, what all cashless hospitals are there. Everything is there on the app itself. Then other than that, the affordability itself, like the price the OnSurety is giving to their different clients is phenomenal in terms of if I talk about the other players in the market. The major win-win game is that the seamless onboarding and offboarding experience. Being an HR, we are like there is a great support from the OnSurety team. If I talk about there's a seamless onboarding experience, the experience is amazing. Then like we just have to onboard our employees on the OnSurety app, and everything is like driven by the technology itself. So we don't have to do the manual work. There's like less manual work is there on a daily basis. So before OnSurety, there was a lot of employee grievances on a daily basis. Employees are not aware about the plans they are into. Then they are, if there is any kind of emergency, we don't have to do a lot of lengthy process. Everything is there on the app itself. So you can just go to the app. You just have to log in the app, and there is your medical card is there. You can search the cashless hospital is there. If there is any kind of emergency, the support is there. And even if I talk about the OnSurety relationship managers, which we have been associated with since a long time, the support is great in terms of any kind of emergencies we are facing. I myself admitted in the hospital, and the process was very smoothless, and the claim process is also very smooth. Surely, I would love to encourage OnSurety to other different clients in our like different players in the market, because the cost effectiveness is there. Then the like support system is amazing, phenomenal. Everyday support is great from the OnSurety team. Then the response time is great. Like there is any kind of emergency, even on Sundays they are available to help us out. And then there is a monthly plan which like we are paying on a monthly basis. So that's also like a major win-win for us. Like you can do the monthly payments. I believe like 10 on 10, because if there was any emergency, OnSurety team was always there to assist us, to help us out, even on weekends, even any kind of like there was any holiday, they like helped us very like amazingly. Great job, you guys. So basically the dashboard is amazing, the onboarding experience and the offboarding experience is very seamless. Everything is taken care of by the technology itself. We don't have to worry about any kind of like there is no lengthy processes there. Everything is seamless and smooth. And transparency is there. You can like just in a one click, you can have your medical card. You can like see who all are covered in your OnSurety plan other than yourself, your parents. So there is a one click thing. So it's like very technology driven. So that helps us a lot. So first of all, great job you guys in providing a seamless support from your end in terms of any kind of emergencies and employee grievances to us and to our employees as well, and to providing us the like flexible, affordable rates in terms of medical care. Like if I talk about the different players in the market who are providing a higher rate in terms of medical insurances, so that is a win-win for us.